How to see your DoorDash order history. First, inside your DoorDash application, you want to simply how to see your order history on DoorDash. To be able to see your order history on DoorDash, what you want to do is you want to simply open the DoorDash application first, and inside your DoorDash app, you'll be able to see a home page which will look something like this. Inside your home page, you want to simply tap on this account option at the bottom right of your screen, and by doing so, you'll be able to see your account's information over here. And by doing so, you'll be able to see your account's information. After that, you want to simply tap on orders over here, and by doing so, you'll be able to see all of the orders. And by doing so, you'll be able to see orders on your screen. If you have any kinds of upcoming orders, you'll be able to see that over here on the upcoming sections. However, if you want to check out on your order history, you want to simply come to this past orders page over here, and by doing so, you'll be able to see all of your past orders on DoorDash. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.